Yeah, so I'm Paul, and I'm in the construction kind of game, this construction sector. So when I just noticed that there was like a market there for more machines on the sites, so I just Googled for vending machines. I was looking for another income sort of thing, so I Googled vending machines, and vendingmachines.ie was the first one to come up. Um, So when I got in touch, and Omar was the guy I was talking to, and Omar then had a good conversation with him, and it just took off from there. It was very easy and very simple. He made it very easy and very simple to set it up and get it going, and he was very helpful as well with putting things in place, like, and with contacts as well, and being able to finance things like that, like all the marketing side of it. And it's just got taken off from there, like. So I have been using the drinks and snacks machine. So it's a good variety for the customers, the clientele that I'm kind of reaching out to. So like I said, on construction sites, they like to refill up and refuel to go back working. So where the drinks will be the Coca-Colas and the Monsters and the Red Bull, and then you have your hits as well. That also gives a bit of a health kind of option too, like. And then the snack bars will be all the Cadbury's and the Nestle's with the Fulfills and things like that. So and then you have all your Tayto confectionery crisps then as well. But we're currently using the drinks and snacks machine, which works perfect for what we're doing, what we're trying to put out there. Like the fact that the machine obviously has the variety of the three different options, the drinks, the bars, and the crisps. So that's Omar was able to help me with discovering which is suitable for who I'm trying to reach out to, and I suppose that was key. So we're kind of selling all a range of type of products, and I suppose as a customer, then you're walking by and you see you can get the drink and the bar at the same time, or the crisps and the chocolate as well. That was the handiest, and that was the best machine for the job. Yeah, very good. I suppose anytime there is an issue, which thankfully there's very few. But anytime there is, Omar's on the other end of the phone straight away. I'd give him a call, or I'd give him a text, and just to let him know I'm having an issue or something like that. Or most of the time it's not due to, if there is an issue, most of the time it's not due to the machine. It's due to just the working environment that the machines are in. So being able to ask Omar to help and getting vending machines, like getting them in to help me out and fix the problem is it's very good. The response time is good. Usually within a day they usually can help me out, like. Yeah, it's definitely. I definitely would recommend them. Like I said, Omar's his workmanship is good. I'd kind of say of a high workmanship as well. So he backs that up as well himself. Like, so responsive wise, if you have an issue, he's there. If you want to add on more machines, and of course he's there as well, obviously to help with that. I'd recommend him to anybody. If anybody came to me and says, how would you get into it, and I'd definitely give them Omar's contact details. And I'm sure they'd be happy dealing with him. Like, he's really easy to work with. And like that, if there is ever an issue, like there was one issue and he was able to help me with it straight away, and I would never been able to fix it. Like, I wouldn't know what roads to take, like. But I'm happy with the road I've taken. It is an extra income for me. So just once you keep everybody happy, well, then the business will run itself, and that income will just work away itself as well. Then that's what I found.